Right now, we're facing a man-made disaster of global scale. Our greatest threat in thousands of years, climate change. If we don't take action, the collapse of our civilizations and the extinction of much of the natural world is on the horizon. The world's people have spoken. Their message is clear. Time is running out.
Not only us. Tell me what really happened. Do you really care? Or you only pretended? Show some concern before everything will be wasted. It is not only humans. Animals also deserve to be protected.
Orange. Do not let the earth warp and change. Make it natural. Do not make it strange. Let it be. Do not change its range. Let us reciprocate the kindness. She deserves happiness. She is a true mother to all, a great provider of all.
In your actions, be sincere, be true. Nature relies on what you can do. Nature really depends on you. You need to start the chain of action. Do this with determination. Act now. Do not hesitate. Save nature. Comment.
Poaching. Poaching. Oh, what an evil thing. Stop it and start caring. Wildlife needs to be protected. Wildlife deserve to be loved, not to be hunted.
Let's start planting trees. Save the wildlife. I insist. Mother Earth needs your attention. Save it now for future generations.
Let happiness flow from running water to falling snow, from empty soul to seeds that grow. Sun brings positivity, it brings hope to humanity. It provides enough energy to sustain life naturally.
Flowers. Blue, red, pink, white, orange, and yellow. Flowers need to grow. Let all of them bloom. Do not let them be gone too soon.
I don't know if it's feeling enough. Fear of open season. Silent rise. Animately shouted, barbaric battle cry. When stuck the cherry and the let's birds fly. Ready, aim, shoot. Once again, time of hunt is on. It's time today, again, the fear of open season.
As the rabbits hop in a vibrant plain, the birds sing in a sweet refrain. Other animals are playing wild and free, truly a perfect scenery to see.
Leave the forest alone. The green forest leave it alone, for animals consider it their peaceful home. Deforestation is not good at all. Let us make the act of illegal mining fall. Leave the forest alone.
Fight! Soon everything will be alright. Our nature's future will be bright. Our efforts will be the light. Never give up. For the wildlife we will fight.
Do something to nature which you will not regret. Earth is suffering, please do not forget. She needs you, she needs your help. Please hear the earth cry, do not let her hope dies. Do something for her protection, for the entire wildlife and future generation.
Let the salmon of the earth be heard. She cried, she suffered. Be brave, help her. Who will not let her suffer? Everyone needs her. Please, do not surrender. Act, It is now or never.
Let the wildflowers bloom. Let the butterflies get out of his cocoon. Let the fish swim in the blue lagoon. Everything in the nature will be fine very soon.
Green. To our surroundings, do not be mean. Do not litter, make it clean. Plant trees, make it green. Earth is our shelter, so it is a must to make it better. Its form and beauty must stay forever. It is God's creation, always remember.
The stillness of the sea keeps on reminding us. The resting sound of the forest keeps on telling us that animals need to live in peace. So, let nature have its peace.
Biodiversity in its truest sense. Biodiversity deals with species variability. It boosts the ecosystem's productivity. It aids on the sustainability of the natural resources. It is important for the survival of wildlife and humanity.
Nature's purpose. Nature is our life. It gives us hope. It gives us light. So we should not stop with our fight. Let us protect our environment day and night.
Three, to solve problems related to our nature, remind everyone that planting may be a cure. Encourage the youngster to plant a tree. Earth will be protected for you and me.
Birds, look above. Birds fly so high, confidently staying calm in the sky. They sing lovely, gay. Do not let them vanish, let them stay.
Lifeless. Do not let yourself be clueless. All plants and animals are harmless. Give them life, especially the homeless. Save endangered species. Let animals live like water lilies. Treat all animals like our best buddies. Even the wildest ones are not our enemies.
What if the chirp of a bird, babble of a fish, or roar of a lion means something? Are you willing to listen and describe their meaning? What if you find that help is what they are asking? Are you willing to help them, or you will just leave them begging?
Do something. Act now before it lasts. The wildlife deteriorates too fast. Do something for them to survive. The future needs to see them alive.
If there is only one thing which I can do, it is to use my voice to protect plants and animals too. Through social media, I will promote awareness. Thoughts about wildlife preservation in my little way, I will express.
Best time now. You must act now before it is too late. You can make a change. Just believe, have faith. Show concern for the wildlife's sake. Act now, the future is at stake. Soon everything will be alright.
Youths for Wildlife Preservation. Youths, the hope of the ASEAN nation, must step out and show participation. Their support may lead to wildlife preservation. Their simple act may save the environment for the future generation.
Be an icon. Be an icon of the future generation. Make an initiative for wildlife preservation. Make a move to create a chain reaction that will show cooperation among the Asian nations.
Wear your slippers. Take your first step. Explore. Through your initiative, positive environmental changes may occur. Let the kangaroos hop. Let the whales swim. Let the eagle soar. The wildlife of today helps the future generation see and adore.